I want to show you a workflow that could open up a potential door for you to be able to build little tools for yourself inside of ChatGPT to author software, maybe not full software, okay? Because you really need to be a software engineer with some coding background, understand how interactions, databases, software architecture works. But let me show you something that I think is really useful, okay? And I certainly know other people who do this sort of thing for a purpose that are not coders. So I'm going to go in to ChatGPT. I've selected O4 Mini High. The O4 model, O4 Mini, these are pretty good at coding. So I'd want you to understand that, yeah, 4.0 is solid at coding, but 4.0 Mini, 4.0 Mini High, these are really super capable coders, okay? So I'm going to say, I'm going to fire off Canvas. Please build an interactive, as in let me type, ping sweep tool in Python. Wait 1.5 seconds between moving to the next subsequent IP host. Did I tell it to write it in Python? I did. Okay, so we're going to hit that. We're going to let that noodle on it. If I did this in like 4.0 mini, it would already, or 4.0, it would already be writing it. But I'm writing it in 0.4, okay? And it's writing Python. That's the language of choice for a lot of IT professionals. And you might be a better Python coder than me. I don't mind that. But I've definitely used this workflow to build things like a MacOff tool to do a CAM table overflow attack to crash switches for good purposes, not bad, to run in our net range. I'm going to paste that in to PyCharm. This is my IDE, the development environment that I work inside of. Some people like it. I think it's great. Okay, I'm going to run it. Okay. And you can see my subnet is 248, and I'm just going to do the first, 8 hosts. .1 is alive, .2 is alive, .3 not alive. This is pretty awesome, isn't it? Okay, it didn't take a lot to build my own working ping suite tool. The workflow that I would use is go to a model that codes well, fire off Canvas, and certainly get familiar with an IDE that is going to work for you.